What's going on? Got the EG. We're gonna take the EG out. I know it's gonna see the road today, but we're gonna take it to get to a shop so we can get some, so we can get the bushes done because they're quite fucked. Anyways, just don't worry about the noises that you're gonna hear now. But we're gonna tighten up the hose because the radiator hose just like popped off when I was test driving it yesterday. But yeah, let's see how that goes. Oh, that's the wrong one. Fuck. There we go. Tasty B series in the morning. This hose here is leaking, so I'll quickly change that. And this hose, I don't know why this wire keeps getting unplugged, but it's unplugged and it won't show my temp. I need to show my temps because obviously it's a project car and we don't know what could go wrong or what could go right. So I'll do this and yeah. Alright, what's going on? We're back in the EG. Let's go and get these bushes done. And let's hope I can get my my clutch bled because it's really fucking me over, I can't lie. Alright, let's go. Oh dude, I don't know if that GoPro is I don't know if my camera's gonna hold on, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, I heard like a little pop. I think it should be alright. It came from the exhaust, so I don't think I'm that worried. But we'll see what happens. Man, she's feeling really good. I can't even deny that. She's feeling really good. Everything's working. I just need to get that clutch bled a little bit. Should be alright. Should be alright. Should be alright. And that idle issue because it's revving at like a little bit over than 20,000. Yeah, why not? A little second pull. What's going on today? So the EG did pass roadworthy. I'm gonna chuck all my mods on it and let's start because why the fuck not? It's a quick release and some more goodies that we're gonna do right now because why not? And carbon hood going on because it is ugly and I'm pretty sure a cat did shit on my hood and stained it, but anyways, we'll change that and so it doesn't look ugly anymore. So for tailgate runs, these seats just suck absolutely fucking balls. So now we'll take them off. Let's start ripping off these old crusty ass. Look at these seats, man. And let's get straight to work. Let's do that. Alright, 30 minutes later, seats are in. Looks way better. Now we'll do the quick release. We'll get this beefy ass battery working. Okay, I'm gonna take this off and install a quick release connected to the spoon wheel that I may pay a little bit too much for, but it's okay, you know, fuck it, why not? So it's a new day. Yeah, we couldn't find any wheels, so now we are gonna go now drive to a car meet to get some bolts for the wheel. The wheel's on. We're gonna take it for a test drive, and I need some more parts for it. I need parts for the. What do I need parts? I don't know. I need parts for something. Oh yeah, I just need a bypass and all that stuff. But anyways, tell me what YouTuber goes to a car meet to get bolts and then ditches halfway through. It's me. It's me. I want my car ready. I want it done. So we'll do that now. I'm gonna go for a nice cruise. I don't have plates on it. I'll get plates on Monday, but I'm legally to drive it. Australian police. It's fine. Everything's okay. And now we're gonna go. So got some goodies. Just need to chop this because like nothing works. Nothing fits for some reason. But for some reason I've got an oil leak, but I don't know where it's coming from. I think my VTEC solenoid's leaking. So we should get onto that pretty quick, not gonna lie. But yeah, just don't remember the leak. But yeah, car feels driving pretty good. We just gotta bypass some more pipes and shit so it doesn't, so we can clean it up a little bit. Yeah, don't worry about that. It's on good. Look, see, it's very still. See, it's tight as fuck. What do you mean? See how it goes. Hopefully Honda Nationals around the corner. I applied for it, so hopefully I get accepted, and then we can race this thing. But if not, that's alright. And fuck it, who cares, man? We got a car, we got an EG back on the road, so it's pretty cool. Seats are in. Seats are in, and the quick release is in as well, so it looks pretty cool. It's how I wanted it. So, but for now, we're just gonna do more performance mods. We'll change the brakes on it because they do feel a bit soft still. But I need music. Right now we're running just a Bluetooth speaker, so we will cut up some wires, put the old speaker systems in because these bad boys never came with speakers. I don't know what the last owner was doing with this car, but yeah, we'll do that and we'll keep you up to date, see if any problems arises. If not, then yeah, cool. Anyways, the Civic looks better than ever, honestly. Put the carbon hood back on as well, but yeah, Civic's looking way better than it was when we legit picked it up about like 6 months ago, so it's pretty cool.
We have no idea what the fuck we're doing. He's just putting the jack on thinking that, yeah, I know what I'm doing. But here at Painting Panels, we're qualified shit cunts. Actually, probably gonna have to blow that out. Good job. And it's a wank. Not a strong roof.
Not. Alright, what's going on? We're here with the EG, we're going for a cruise tonight. I'm here with Ben in the FD right in front of us, and oh shit, green light. And we'll see what happens tonight. Yeah, so I'll pick up the vlog later. We're here in the EG as well, you know, see how it goes. So far it's running good. It's got 2 engine lights on the way here, so that's not bad. It's a start. Is we're gonna do a little toge run, but the only reason I'm not gonna go hard because it's a fresh clutch, and as well we can't go hard because we obey the law. That's what we do. Made it alive. Alright, what's going on? It's a new day. I did not film anything last night because the camera died at the worst timing. But we're gonna do an hour drive. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in the Civic. I'm not gonna lie, I can't really be bothered driving an hour. But we're doing an hour road trip to go and eat Subway, and I'll decide to bring the vlog along and go and eat Subway in. So let's do that. Hour drive ahead, and let's go and meet up with NVRS. So let's go. Right, behind the scenes of a thumbnail. There we go. Momo there probably. Let's see. I think we're good. Dude, holding this turbo is killing me. Ow! Anyways. Whoop. What's going on, guys? Sorry for the late of content. Just been hella busy just roadworking this and doing other sides on the side that you guys will see soon. It's gonna be amazing. Ripped it for its first toge run, and honestly it was really good. The only thing that I found problems was my suspension, so we are definitely have to upgrade this suspension on. We'll definitely have to upgrade this suspension on the way. We'll probably go with BC, or I don't know, we'll think about it. But the next video should be a 360 camera for this bad boy. Clean up the leaks and all that first. But yeah, just another day in Australia. Bro's ripping it. Guys, enjoy. Leave a like if you want. Subscribe if you want. Whatever. And yeah.